Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Moto E5 Plus, the newly launched Moto E series smartphone from the company. And this time you see quite a lot of changes from the design to the internal specs as well. The Moto E5 Plus comes with the glass design that is just like how the Moto G series and the Moto X series as well have. And this is the initial unboxing of the device. The MRP of the phone is said to be 13,000, but we surely hope that it's lesser than that. And now this is the back of the phone with the cover that is pre-included in the box. Let me remove the cover and then you can see how good the design is. And that is one of the best things about this phone apart from the battery life. So this is the glossy back with that line striations whenever there is a light objected on it. And now for the other accessories in the package, you see the Readme guide as well as the legal safety and the regulatory guide. Then there's this power adapter that comes with a 5-way two-way output, although the phone supports 15-watt charger. The SIM ejector pin is next, and this is the micro USB cable. And finally, these are the earphones that comes with the button as well as the microphone. And now coming back to the phone, this is the beautiful design that it comes with, and on the back the Moto dimple that is the Motorola logo is also the fingerprint sensor on the device. And on the back there is the single camera, that's a 12 megapixel camera that comes with a laser autofocus system. And there's also the dual LED flash on the back. And the glossy back also gives you a very good feel of holding the device. On the front is this 6-inch 720p plus that's 720 to 1440 pixels of screen resolution. And the phone is about 197 grams in weight, which gives you about 5000 mAh battery, which is the best thing about this phone. And on the bottom you see a micro USB port and the microphone as well. On the left is the SIM slot, and on the top is the 3.5mm headset jack. And on the right are the buttons, that's the power button as well as the volume rocker buttons. On the front is a 5 megapixel camera as well as the LED flash along with that. Now getting to the settings, you see that this phone runs Android 8.0.0, that's the Android Oreo, and it might soon get the Android 8.1 update. And we know that Motorola does send the Android Eltiza security updates on time. For the storage, this variant has 3GB plus 32GB of combination, where out of which about 26GB is available to the user. And these are the pre-installed apps. So you know that Motorola again wouldn't give you a lot of pre-installed apps, which is a good thing. You see most of the basic apps along with the Moto app and the wallpapers app as well. And there's file manager and FM radio as well pre-installed in the device. Now getting into the camera application, which is not a lot of compromise that we see here. So that's a good thing because the Moto G6 Play also had a similar camera experience with these settings showing up what is possible with the phone. And this is the 12 megapixel camera, so you see 12 megapixel f2.0 shooter here, and it can record up to 1080p videos at 30 fps on the back camera. And on the front there's a 5 megapixel camera that comes with the f2.2 aperture. And for the selfies, it doesn't look one of the best, but still it does its job. And for a 5 megapixel f2.2 you can expect this much and not more than that. On the modes, you see the professional mode for both the front and back facing cameras, and there's also slow motion recording again present for both the cameras here. And with the video as well, you can record full HD videos with the front facing camera. The SIM cards with the Moto smartphones, you can always expect this, the dual SIM card slot along with the dedicated micro SD card slot, which is a very good thing because you don't have to worry about using one of those SIM cards for the micro SD card, and the dedicated micro SD card always helps. This is the Moto app, which is my personal favorite always because it offers a lot of features that you might not see on other smartphones. And apart from this having the stock Android experience, you still get these features such as a quick screenshot, pick up to stop ringing, flip for do not disturb, and also to swipe to shrink screen. And these are the Moto display options, that's the night display, attentive display as well as the Moto display. A couple of things such as the chop force flashlight and such are missing here, and that might be due to the sensors here, but then still the Moto app has some of the good features that you might need to use on your daily basis. And on the back is that Moto dimple that gives you the fingerprint sensor. Here are a few camera samples as well for you to check out for the quick samples, and these are not some of them that we have taken in different conditions. It's almost at the same place, but there was ample amount of light here. So this was the unboxing and the quick hands-on with the Moto E5 Plus smartphone with a 3GB 32GB RAM variant, and there's also black color and gold color and one more variant. So this is the Moto E5 Plus. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions, do let me know, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.